Are you wondering if this dashcam actually has got a GPS and can essentially track your speed and location as well? So this probably over here is most popular dashcam you can get on AliExpress and Temu. And when it comes to GPS, I actually have some very bad news. On this camera actually we do not get GPS. So the only thing we can actually record on the video is time and date. So that's all it can do. When it comes to the price, however, I'm actually not even complaining, because actually I literally paid only a bit less than $6 for mine, and for this price I think it's absolutely great camera still, even if it lacks that feature. By the way, if you also want to get for this price, in the description I'll include special discount links so that you can use to get it again for about the same price, both on AliExpress and also Temu. And if you're wondering basically how is actually the video quality on this camera, then actually so the main camera is actually very decent. So actually I was quite surprised just how decent it is. This one it's probably average, so this is not the best, but however this actually has got night vision. So when it comes to night vision, however, it's actually pretty decent, so actually very good. But during daytime I would say it's not really the best, but still usable. So if you want to see the quality, for example, here I have video recorded over here, so you can see for yourself. So this was extremely sunny weather, and sun was pretty much shining inside. So as you see, for this price I think the quality, yeah, no complaints there really. So pretty much like perfect. So literally for less than $10. So I think this is actually very decent quality here. So you can see everything very well here. Also, by the way, this dashcam also has got a small battery inside, so also that is kind of good. And yeah, so also one more video of the quality if you want to see. So I simply took the dashcam and simply was walking around, so outside the car. So you see, yeah, details are actually very good. So you can see all the number plates just as well. So at this price, really, yeah, can't really complain at all. So yeah, pretty darn good. So yeah, GPS, yeah, it would be cool if it had that, but again, at least for me, it's probably not a deal breaker, at least for me. And again, if you want to get this camera for absolutely crazy price, simply check out the special discount links in the description. I still think it's actually well worth it. It's very reliable. The main camera quality actually is very decent, as you saw. Also, we have like I think 2 microphones on this, and also like small internal battery, and also reliability wise also it's actually, yeah, absolutely great, so can't complain. It works, yeah, superb. So GPS, yeah, if that's a deal breaker, you are looking to probably spend, I think, at least like $100 to get basically on the camera, maybe even more. Anyway, good luck.